Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies on a pan. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even baking. Line your baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. This simple step makes removing the cooled brownies incredibly easy later on. Getting organized now saves time and effort. Now let's create that rich brownie batter. Gently melt your butter and chocolate together over low heat, stirring until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk your eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract until they are light and fluffy. This adds air for a tender crumb. Then, gradually fold your dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Be careful not to overmix, just combine until no streaks remain. With your batter ready, pour it evenly into the prepared baking pan. Spread it gently to ensure a consistent thickness. Now, it's time to bake. Place the pan in your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Baking time varies based on your desired fudginess. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick near the edge. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Patience is key for perfect brownies. Let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This allows them to set properly, preventing crumbling when cut. Once fully cooled, use the parchment paper overhang to lift them out. For clean, precise squares, use a sharp knife. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature to keep them fresh and delicious for days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.